Very good morning, my lovely viewers. When I look back my life for the past many years, I realize that the unnecessary sacrifices and worries I made was based on fear and not love. I gave too much, I held back myself, and I didn't live a life what I wanted, thinking that what others will be thinking about me. I know it is happening in your life too, but I changed my perception few years before. Imagine this. Life is like a colorful canvas and you are the artist. Don't let your fear dim your colors. Instead, let your love paint your masterpiece. Picture yourself at the age of 85, smiling at your canvas, knowing you lived the life happily. You did whatever you like at your young age, embraced who you are and lived a life that you always wanted. People talk. What they talk, let them talk. You don't need to bother about others. Just enjoy each day as it comes before it is too late. Now your future self will whisper, choose love and be true to yourself and start enjoying the life. Dear viewers, so grab your brush and start painting your life today with love as your palette so that at your 85 you can smile looking at your canvas that I lived my life enjoying at its fullest. Thank you all. Have a nice day.